Hello everyone. Alright, so this is going to be for air signs, Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. Sending you love all the way from India. Bharat Namaste. Let's start with your reading. This is going to be no dates, no month. Okay, so timeless readings. So relax and you're going to start. Okay. So I am hearing for many of the air signs over here, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, that it has to do something with the final results, okay? And this may be something connected with the conversation that you had regarding certain project, certain work thing kind of project, okay? So maybe something connected with collaboration here. Something is all connected here with the final or end result, okay? And I see positive results. At least that's what they are trying to say, okay? Now let's just see. Some of you are into emotional conversation with certain someone. This may be Piscean in specific, not necessary though, but there is something that is right now unclear, which is about you need to know the other side, you need to know other person's view, or someone is interested here if this is this particular energy, or this is about emotional situation wherein the person is really interested in knowing what exactly you feel for this current relationship, or what do you think about them, okay? That's what I'm hearing. Oh yeah, this is again very emotional phase. It has to do with little bit or more of chaos or chaotic situation that is right now happening in your life. This is about, this card is telling me or giving me the vibe of like right now, okay? So someone over here is either disappointed with someone or someone's action. This may directly go with certain kind of separation, and I also see the final results again. So maybe the final result is all about that you're going to break free from something, chain, bond, which is about more of like bondage here, okay? And those seem to me like something that is not right, and there is this pricky situation, rather we should say, okay? It is not, the feeling is not right. It feels though there are thorns, okay, or something that is very heavy on heart, and you're going to clear that stuff out, okay? Or maybe this person is going to do it. Maybe this person over here, this is the person, though it is the moon card, but maybe it is apart from Piscean or Piscean. This is someone who is going through some heartache separation here, or they might be missing you so much, or they're realizing something that they, they want to restore something here for some cases, okay? Let's see. I'm also seeing here that there is one wand, kind of like, let's take this as a wand, okay? There is this one wand and someone is breaking it into half with the sound, okay? So when it is becoming halves, like two, this is about exactly, they said that one wand will be two. So the two parts of that, and you have to walk through them, like from the mid, okay? So which is about, again, kind of energy of two of wands, okay? Deciding on something. Look, deciding on something, okay? So you might not be right now doing it, but deciding on something, because my deck is erect, but it flipped like reverse, okay? So zero the Fool energy. It's about just one decision, your decision, and then you're going to be free. But something might be feeling like you're trapped in, or this is a bondage, or something that you are not feeling free. It is like pressured, okay? Or you're not you in something. When you're not you and you're not seeing the sun, you're not seeing the hope or light in something, or maybe someone is trying to capture you, trap you in their thoughts or something, then you feel like I'm not free. I am exhausted. I'm feeling pokey here, okay? That kind of energy might be surrounding you. And I feel like looking at the Zero the Fool energy as the heavy energy of Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So I talked about that the wand will be in two, and then you will have to walk through them, like pass through between. So this may be something connected with, again, the vibe of like you always knew something, or but you're not releasing something. So this may be releasing of the news. Maybe you're from mass communication center, or you are a news reader or reporter or something like that. There is this heavy decision definitely coming, okay? Something is also connected with freelancing work or some stuff like that. And maybe this is about choosing in the midst of two. Let's see. So someone over here is not feeling free, though they know that they have to. they're not feeling free. So you might not be feeling free. You have the Hanged Man energy. Of course, you are hanged or feeling hung with someone, with certain conversation which might not be clear to you. You are trying to come out of that, but first you are observing. First you are acknowledging, you're comprehending the situation, and you're going to do this in this time frame. Okay, my decision, Zero the Fool energy is your decision here. But when it is reversed, kind of, it is giving you the vibe of like, okay, fine, I know that I can do it. I want to take the leap of faith, but something is something that you might not be claiming, or you're not ready here. Or you're feeling like I have to complete something, you know, complete the circle or complete something, whatever it is, and then I can do it. So this energy is all about concentrating on the fact, okay, fine, I want to do it, I want to take this decision, but then again I have to consider or reconsider something while I'm in this process of getting free. Okay, it's just not like you open the door one day, you decide, and then in the night or in the morning you decide and you walk out of something, may it be idea, work, relationship. You take time first, you know, and complete something with the person if it is, and then you take the decision. This is definitely regarding your Chariot. So maybe this is about decision. Again, I'm telling you, this is about 2 wands, which is about looking forward to make decision, and it is also about I am done with. Like when I said that this is wand and you are breaking it, means it's a pluck and I'm done with something. I've completed this. Okay, now I am free. Then my mind is telling me no, I'm not, but exactly I am. It is just in your possible, you know, inside like unconscious situation when you are lying, or you might be dreaming of something. Okay, what will go, what will not go right, and all that stuff. Also, your leading phase is coming in life. Okay, whatever your decision is. I have this one question on Zero the Fool energy, and we are going to take it out, the card. Please give us for Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You're done. Like it's like maybe you are done with half of your decision, half of your startup, half of like some you know, let's just say that if I'm making you confused, this is again the wand. You're half here, like you have completed something. Okay, you have completed. This may be something connected with 10 years, and maybe you have the plan of completing something big project or something like in 10 years I'm going to be here, but now you have completed just 5 or 6 years, kind of like you're in the 50%. Decision maybe of like where to walk, what to choose, with whom you want to be, possible. This may happen. Nothing over here. Look, something is coming like it's room and consolation, and these are reversed though. I feel like you don't expect anyone in this room anymore. You don't expect anything like they are going to do it for me. No, you are responsible for yourself. You are making space. You are decluttering here. No more sympathizing, no consolation prizes here. I'm not going to settle for no, nothing like that. Okay, and again there are digits coming like 5066, 5366, or 566. Okay, you can reverse it like 6605, 660, or 665. Okay, something like that. For some of you, I feel like someone in this room always served you, possible. However, it can go vice versa, but I feel like someone always served you the salt, or always. It was like you expected something like a sugar or at least sweet and sour, but it was never. It was always salt. So there was exaggeration of thing, like exceed limit of something. And now you're no longer giving them anything here. Okay, I'm not going to work on these bases. Like I feel like someone does want something from you, but there is like you no longer expect anyone in this room. No, I don't want. Okay. For many of you, it is no longer waiting. I feel that kind of energy because I am getting this vibe right now. Is all about your energy and all about you're prepared, you're dressed well. Okay, whether it's male energy or female, it doesn't matter. This is something connected with that you. Okay, I waited now. Drop the idea. I'm just decorating my place, emptying the stuff, emptying the room, decluttering, whatever you are doing it. Okay. Some of you are waiting for something new. Why? Because I feel it's new place. Because it's new you. your shift, your journey, long journey. Now you're somewhere new, I feel. Emotionally as well, and also, I apologize, please don't mind. So you're coming from the place of hanging in there for quite a bit, exactly adjusting with the concept, or understanding something on your own, not making any hasty decisions. Okay, so you took time. And this zero the fool energy is all about no longer entertaining anyone in the room, no longer giving number. Oh God, I heard like someone is asking you. Okay, so maybe that's your energy. Queen of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You may have the same moment, or someone may ask you like, I want to talk. I'm also hearing like someone does want your number, but if they are giving you this kind of vibe, zero the fool vibe, and also reverse kind of energy, you are feeling like, oh, no ways. Okay, no ways. So let's see in your present moment what is happening in your now. And I also feel your energy is zero the full energy of like, okay, this energy is telling me, look, I am free, but I'm not stupid. Okay, I am free, I can do whatever I want, but I'm not going to settle with someone who is so complicated. Okay, so this energy may be someone who is trying to create, but it is complicated situation with certain someone. They're not clear, because some people are always confused. So if this is that energy, look, I'm not doing that. Let's say in your present mode, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So you have two ways, possible two options, you have that. Look, I also see like someone as an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius coming, someone in the picture, new person possible, or just let's just say your creative field is taking heights, like ascending. You might be painter, you might be artist in any sort of thing, like a music, or you write, whatever you do, that's your stuff. I appreciate it, just go ahead. Okay, but this is also someone in specific coming in the picture. Like I heard like someone coming in the motion, like a motion, movement. Okay, so maybe this is movie, art, something connected with that stuff. Five of Pentacles. I heard no longer you see them, or no longer you want to see them. I also hear disappointed too much. I see change because you don't want to repeat the pattern, and I hear bored. I am bored, B-O-R-E-D, bored of some place or work. So you're changing that. I still have that question with this particular Five of Pentacles. So we are going to take out one connecting card here. What this is all about. Something ended with this person. So maybe this is a Piscean when we started the reading, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, not necessarily though, or someone who may be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but I feel like you're rushing in opposite direction from this person. It is giving me the energy of like, so that kind of energy when you are no longer in contact, or really you don't want to be, you're not in mess, you're in hurry now, because you're not interested in entertaining anything that is not at all classy, that is not at all authentic, that is like full of complications. I don't want that, and you know them. Okay, so this may be particular male energy, even female, because these are general vibes, but something that ended way back, something possible ghosted, you stopped talking at all, they stopped talking, it felt like betrayed. Sweet, it was never sweet, it was rather sour, so salt on the table. Okay, possible. So on this, I feel Five of Pentacles, you're bored, you don't want it, and you are just going back in the reflection of like, I know what I took the decision for. So it's like rush of possible very quick communication may come and go. It's like henceforth I prove, like kind of energy. This person, yes, possible regretting, or possible someone is bored, that's why. But you are in opposite direction, I feel. Look, Eight of Cups energy. What does that mean? It means that you walked away from something, or it's just that you're distancing yourself, or you don't want to involve yourself, okay? Because you already walked away once upon a time. So decision. I'm not crossing back again. It's complete. I'm not taking any action for this, okay? It's in half. You did it, or you took your decision. Either it is full or it's not, and you have done your part, so it's done. Okay, let's see in your future. So in your future, it's all about comprehending, first of all. And this comprehending is all about yourself and your decisions. And this Magician is all about as above, so below. It is like karmic circle. Or, karma is real. Everyone is aware. You will believe if you don't believe, honey. But this is like infinity. Something that went away is coming possible back in order to complete it. But they need to know that there is always a bondage here, not a knot or not a bond here. Bondage is connected with kind of, for me, as a chain. And this is skipped opportunity. You skipped it once. I'm not coming back. The Magician is all about you having the power to control over your situation. I'm not becoming or coming in this fool zone again, okay? Don't take me as a foolish. Magician, again, as above, so below, means that first possible they gave you the situation which was worse, and now they're going through the same, I heard the word shit, okay? And I wore one, that's my shirt actually, but you can wear it from as a top side, kind of. It has written, the words written as shit happened, flush it, okay? People loved it, and I love it too. Look, I feel like someone is rushing towards you, or you're rushing towards, not rushing actually, you're on the way of like next phase. But I feel someone's energy while you're on your way. Again, there's this phase. Someone may be rushing towards you, but I told you your energy kind of. Yeah, like look, Six of Swords, a possible conversation, possible actual move, possible someone wants to come and meet you here, Six of Swords. But this is also your travel, your move, your journey. Oh my God, I want to be with you. Let's, you are too much in thoughts, honey. Look, but your card is this. Can you see it? Rebuild, heal, and moving on. Listen. It's a kind of energetic listen. So you're going to listen first and foremost yourself. And you have moving on. This is again with the green body, it's cups energy, like heart, emotions, and all that stuff. But if we just go on number 8, there's a movement. And with the words, moving on. Leaving the marks, moving on, definitely. You heard, said and done. But now you're doing what is supposed to be in order to rebuild something for yourself. Which is so important, right? Yes, it is. Winding up the reading. Closure to the chapter. Wow. Look, we talked about one wand and you have Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands is karma. I feel when you're breaking it in halves means you are done with something. It's complete. Ace of Wands is your action on something that you are taking. So maybe finalizations, new chapter of your life, new karmic circles here, connected with the assurance that you really want. New love, new friendships, securing, warm handshakes, collaborations, Ten of Pentacles, stability in your work, stability in your home. You might be buying something, you might be getting the check, you might be having financial inflow here. You're sure of something, like I'm not going to be fooled again, or I'm not going to go in that zone of like getting emotionally trapped here. That's what is Ten of Pentacles as well. Take care guys, I love you, see you soon, bye.